Mwasemia weri chikase serikali Musolista General Shadrack Mose nigobona haraire hoguchakiwa omoroberio bwokwena na enibo gochia sabasae hinse yesiro ya serikali yokoimokia abasae kagokwana hasege ikaro hamone bitabo byoborendi ya county ya Nyamira nigobona asabire habagambi kwena kyanga abasae kwerikia barense yomoroberio yonyota oyorengete abasae chiri buchimisano na 320 aiga Kenya ngima ebunegati asegati yemyaka 15 n'etatu nabo igo bari begeti emyaka 20 na kianda hasa bari no barema banchire gosoase umurobiro yo nabarense yemyaka 35 nago tumanyumurikito Steven Nyariki
Omosemia bweri chiko Moske Shadrack Mose ngati yomogeni oikirana asomoroberio bogosio bene esiro yabasae weso yasobwonchoreria asomoroberio osire na World Bank
It's a World Bank project. I want to tell you that we need to get it right. It's a World Bank project. 5 billion shillings grant given to us as government. As between 18 and 29, and the PWDs, people living with disability below the age of 35 years. The other project is a landmark initiative by the government of Kenya aimed at transforming the livelihoods of the vulnerable youth over the next 5 years.
And then again, 10,000 youth micro franchises or urgent businesses will also be established. Now, in terms of supporting youth savings, the project intends to have 190,000 youth having short-term and long-term savings with the Haba Haba scheme under the NSSF. Then young mothers are also going to be supported. Wale wasichana wadogo wako na watoto, they will be supported when they do the project, and there will also be maternity health support of those expectant youth when they'll be undertaking the project.
Bagukwana samagacho CDF imeyebungea West Mugrango imeyanyamira nigo bairiro buyabwa bekiru ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza kwene kingaba sae 52 kurwakire ward ingwe nyora barumuroberi bugoche gosirwa.
Hakuna nchi ambao iko nzuri kushinda nchi yetu ya Kenya. Hiyo mnapiga makofi hiyo kabisa. And I'm telling you without winking, hakuna nchi yeyote inashinda hii nchi yetu ya Kenya. Ile shida kubwa tuko nayo ni leo tukipiga kura, badala ya kupeana nafasi ile amechaguliwa, ile serikali tumechagua, tunapiga kura leo, the following day tunaanza nini? Tunaanza siasa, and we lose it out at that level.
And we said we are targeting 70 youth, not 70,000. 70 youth. Tumeshika vizuri.
Asekiro musae orache kwenyore ngeri yo nigare gwe shilingi 50,000 echiwara nyare kobaga kwegendria sobwonjoria bene.
And this 50,000 we will have a saving element. Now my brother here will talk about it from NSSF. Out of the 50,000, you have been given 50,000, but 12% will go to NSSF.
Umuroberi yokagere go chiko igorobo tukobwa rero wetera ase ebimatero bya star 254 ash nigora chikwene kinga ense ya Kenya nene mono asabasae abari emyaka gati ya 15 n'etatu goika emyaka 20 na kianda ase bari buya nabo igo bari no borema goika emyaka 35 nigo barachikweriki asomoroberi yubo tukobwa rero.
The 1,450 wards in the whole country. Hii pesa itakuwa imefanya nini? Imeingia huko.
Steven Nyariki Mbonde, Nsoko TV, county ya Nyamira.